In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert text to a path in Figma. This is a useful skill for anyone looking to customize typography in their designs, as it allows you to manipulate the text at a vector level. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open up Figma and navigate to your design file. If you're unsure where to go, just head over to the Design section within Figma. You can have a blank canvas ready or open an existing project that you're working on. Once you're in, make sure your text is selected. This is the text that you are going to convert. Next, the magic begins. Right-click on the selected text. This will bring up a context menu with various options. From there, you'll want to look for the option labeled Outline Stroke. This step is critical because it transforms your text into vector shapes. Once you click on Outline Stroke, your text will become editable as individual shapes, each letter now being part of the vector path instead of just editable text. Now that your text is converted, double-click on it. What this does is give you access to the individual vector points that make up the letters. You may notice that the text changes appearance slightly, but this is normal. All the letters are now open for manipulation. Here comes the fun part. You can now click on each of the vector points or nodes of the letters. By selecting a point, you can drag it around, adjust its position, and even reshape the letters in unique ways. This process gives you full creative control, allowing you to turn standard typography into a design that reflects your vision. Take your time with this part, as experimenting with the points can yield fantastic results. You can create custom shapes, make letters wider or narrower, add designs within the letters, or even incorporate new elements into your typography. It's all about exploring and seeing what you can create. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try different texts and different manipulations. You'll find that the more you play with it, the more comfortable and creative you'll become. Lastly, always ensure you save your work frequently. Figma has great cloud storage, but it's a good habit to keep. You never know when inspiration will strike, and you'll want to revisit those customized letters. And there you have it. That's how you convert text to a path in Figma. Whether it's for logos, posters, or any graphic design project, being able to manipulate text as a vector shape opens up a world of possibilities for your designs. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. If you learned something new today, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up or share it with a friend who might find it useful. Until next time, happy designing!